Now, when you go to the Alpha and Omega, that is not Awwal and Aakhir. Because
I said first and the last, not Alpha and Omega. That's what I'm focusing on.
So once again, when you take something that is in the Arabic language and you try to associate with something else, for example, Alpha and Omega in the Greek alphabet is the first and last of the alphabet. In other instances, you can't say somebody is the first and the last. If I was to say that Michael Jordan is the Alpha and Omega of basketball, he is the first and last of basketball, that is not the same as saying Awwal and Aakhir in the Arabic language. So for you to say that because of the Arabic Awwal and Aakhir, that means nobody but Jesus could be called God by being called that, is equating apples and oranges. Secondly, I have not made the point of the Bible saying that Alpha and Omega are first and last. My point that he still hasn't addressed, the original points, was the verses in the Bible that clearly shows that Jesus is not God, because he calls out to a God, even post-resurrection.